1 mile into the trail.
That's it?
And we are already tired. There it is. First stop, Wittenberg, 3.9 miles to the summit.
Yay.
Are you up for it?
Oh yes, I had so much of Quaker oats. I have a lot of Quaker oats in me. We can do it.
We are on a hike to the Burrows Range Trail in the Catskills.
Yes.
15-mile challenging and rugged trail. And we are like 1 mile into the trail.
That's it?
And we are already tired.
Oh man, 1 mile? That's it.
Just another 14 miles to go.
I hope I last. I hope I last. But it's pretty humid today. So
Extremely humid,
yeah.
but it's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Apparently there's someone from Austria who signed in before we did. So this is a world famous trail.
Oh man,
Woohoo!
excited!
World famous! Are we there yet? Yes, Bhargav says we are there. Made it.
In middle of nowhere, huh?
Yeah. Hi there. I'm in love with this moss. From moss to enchanted forest and fog and mist. Where are we? Where are we, Bhargav?
We are someplace mysterious, enchanted forest. So beautiful. You can't describe. You have to come here, guys.
First subscribe to the channel
Enjoy the view.
and then come. Made it to Wittenberg, summit number 1. There, Catskills Range. Look at all that fog. Look at that reservoir. Look at all those mountains. You can also see the changing colors of the leaves. This is the mighty Catskill Range in all its glory. Your thoughts on Wittenberg?
I don't want to leave. That's it. I'm staying here. It's so pretty. And we have signal over here. What else? I can log in from up here. I work from here.
Bhargav plans to work from here. This is his work from home. I think he's taking it a bit too far. What's next, Bhargav? Which summit?
Cornell.
Cornell.
And then slide.
And then slide.
And then back to the camp. Let's go.
On to Cornell.
So guys,
Woohoo! Made it to Cornell.
we're married to Cornell and we came all the way from there. See that peak? That's Gutenberg? Gutenberg peak?
Wittenberg.
Oh, Wittenberg peak.
That's Wittenberg.
It's Wittenberg. So we came up that mountain, down that mountain again, and all the way here.
Yeah, I think we started from behind that mountain, right?
Yeah.
Wittenberg, that's the Woodland Valley campground. That's where we started from. So this is summit number 2. And now just another summit, which is slide. And that's how we do the Burrows Range Trail.
Yay!
Woohoo! Stairway to heaven. Hell. Heaven. What do you see? Heaven or hell?
I see mountains, wilderness, and beauty.
So it's heaven.
Call that.
So that's Wittenberg. That's Cornell. And then slide is up this slide about another 0.25 miles. Another staircase.
Stairway to? I don't know.
Stairway to Slide Mountain. There it is.
We are
Made it to Slide.
highest point in the Catskills.
Yay! Hey! Hi! Hi! You guys are on the highest point on the Catskills.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Slide Mountain, highest peak in the Catskills.
Cool. We need to go another what? 8 miles?
That's it, only 8 miles.
Okay. That's
I saw a TikTok, like, it's a funny difference.
7 miles.
Dance moves are, like,
7
ways to do
miles.
it, but they
I have this will do.
they're showing, like, you know, holding onto a tree.
Milano
This.
cookie never tasted so
And
good.
it's like, I always bring toilet paper with me. But I never really use it. I'm gonna keep telling myself I need to get a cool cloth. I don't know if you, I thought I saw that you had one.
We are beginning our descent down to Slide.
alright.
Down from Slide.
Slide down the slide.
Woo-hoo.
Oh, I'm excited. Easy ones.
We got this.
Yes. Got it, me.
You got it?
Yes, got it.
Finally some respite walking on a flat section after that scramble for the last 7-8 miles. This is like heaven. Look at this velvety moss on top of a boulder. This is unbelievable.
No kidding. So pretty.
So like an Instagram moment.
It's like for shots.
Just beautiful moss on both sides of the trail, and this beautiful coniferous forest. Just an amazing experience today.
Nothing can beat the spring water.
Absolutely. This is like literally going down a slide. That's why I think they call it a slide mountain, right?
Probably.
This is like a slide.
It is. For water, I can imagine it will be a good slide.
Yeah, imagine if there was running water.
We would be
We
sliding.
could actually make it a water slide. I think we are just hallucinating. We're just so tired. Just coming up with this stupid ideas.
Why not? Whatever can make us go down faster and safer.
To the right. So we did all the 3 mountains.
Yeah.
Wittenberg, Cornell, Slide. And now we have a 5-mile slog back to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to it?
He just killed me, man. That's it. I'm not going back with him.
No more friends now.
No more friends.
Bhargav and Jeet are no more friends. John Burroughs, Bhargav and Jeet. We all hiked extensively on Slide, Wittenberg, Cornell and Panther Mountains.
It's unfair. Our name is not there.
I think we should add our name. I think this is stream crossing number 77 for the day.
77.
I think I have lost track of how many streams and waterfalls we have seen throughout the day. Not kidding. This must be stream crossing number 77.
I agree. 100%.
Do it, Bhargav. This is the final push.
Are you sure, right? Fine. You've been saying that for quite some time. Final.
This is the final countdown. This is like a silent death march. Life is never a bed of roses. After hiking for almost 15 miles and hiking up 4,600 feet, the last very half a mile of this trail has this gnarly steep incline. Finally made it back to the car park. Never been so happy to see the car.
Yes.
So we submitted 3 mountains.
3 mountains.
Wittenberg.
Yep. And then
Cornell,
and then slide.
Slide, and then it was a slide back down to the car park.
My knees are all hot. But thanks to him.
Almost 15 miles
Yeah.
and 4,800 feet of elevation gain.
Yeah. Around 10 hours, I would say.
10 hours, yeah?
No, not
yeah.
less than
10
10
hours with breaks.
Breaks
We're
and stuff.
super zapped now.
Yeah.
We're going to get something to eat. If you like this video, give it a like. And don't forget to drop in a comment
And subscribe.
to the channel. Outdoor Adventures, signing off with Bhargav. Bye.
Bye.
Here's some celebrity beer and tacos. This stuff is good.